Hey guys, welcome back for another farm video. This time I'm going to be taking you guys to a sheep farm up the road. They raise sheep for 4-H, meat, and rough stock breeding to other farms. They're kind of a cool little operation. They're family run, about 50 sheep. So hope you enjoy this. Alright.
Hi, Miss Freckles.
Sick. I don't know. I think he's just over 8 weeks, getting ready to be weaned.
Yeah. How do you wean them?
Just separate them from their mom.
Mm-hmm.
Once your cousin was looking at you, he's coming over to smell you, and you stood up and walked away.
Alright, Lamborghini. Is he the oldest one?
Yeah, this one.
He's still pick upable. Let's
Is.
see him.
He's the youngest.
Yeah? No, he's not.
Isn't he?
In the oldest pen.
Besides Potato and
Potato's name is Squishy.
It's Potato.
It's Squishy.
No, it's Potato. He's a little spud.
He's a little spud.
Yeah.
Alright, this guy's got some sass.
Bouncy.
Bouncy.
So I'm putting my hand on him.
It's crunchy and munchy. Is this the one with the gonzo ears?
Yeah.
His ears go straight up.
He's gonna go in that Y like Gonzo's did.
Meow.
Jenny, don't
Jenny.
chew with your mouth full. Don't chew with your mouth full. Don't chew with your mouth open. ETR, pick a theme, and this theme I wanted to have a general, so I went with like royalty or high ranking power. So this is princess. Of course, Jen was the only one that died this year on my side, so that was great.
Why'd he die?
Because he was small and his mom was bad.
Circle of life.
Circle of life. What's that circle of life?
Where are all your babies? You're eating instead of taking care of them.
I think
Excuse me.
they all ran outside.
Excuse me.
They're all over there.
Oh, it's a little herd of babies.
That is so liftable too, because he's really skinny.
She's like, oh, that's not my baby.
This is your baby. Wait, no, it's not your baby. I'm sorry.
I'm gonna
It's
be
just
getting...
like, yeah, this is my life now.
All right, should we go do the new ones?
But I don't like the new ones. You pee on me, I will never forgive you. He's like a week old. And this guy over here is like, no, he's like 2 weeks old. And this big moose is only like a week old. He's really big.
So this is the Lincoln Southdown Oops Baby.
We always try to like merge names.
Who has a Linktown?
Yeah, it's a Linktown.
Oh, okay. He's got black legs
Linktown.
and white. Whoa.
And some of the, if you look at like Potato, he's got the gray marks, but his are black.
Yeah. So this is a Linktown. This was
Gigantic.
a gigantic Oops Baby.
Yeah, that's not very sturdy.
Will you be in my video? You gonna catch my sheep?
Why do I have to catch him?
Because you're big.
Huh?
You're big and I'm fragile.
Oh, goodness.
Woo! Goose.
Very cute one.
Oh. Here. Okay, be nice. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that little adventure to go see the sheep. Cool thing about that whole thing is that the big ram at the end is actually my personal show ram. His name is Ganzo, which means goose in Spanish, so there's a couple times we talk about goose in the video. That's him. And he's also the father of the Oops Baby. Long story short, not enough pens to put the Lincoln, ewe, and ram in separately. So they had to go on with some younger rams that shouldn't have matured yet. But clearly Gonzo had. So, until next time.